Hi YouTube team! Today, April 14, 2025, I am appealing regarding my reuse content violation. My channel is not eligible to monetize and I will not access to monetization tools and features. My channel name SHAMGUARD and here is my URL. I would like to appeal my application for monetization and showing the process how I create my content and addressing my videos that did not content violating monetization policy. My channel contains many different type of contents such as basketball blog content and moto blogging. I will show you how I film my videos. These are gadgets that I'm using filming making my videos. This is the area where I edit, upload my videos content. These are tools that I've used when creating my content. Cell phone, which I use when creating videos, and the main device to make my content. Cell phone holder and my 360 camera for my motovlogging and the ball for my basketball content. Additionally, I also use CapCut to edit my video. PixArt for the thumbnail and 360 for trimming for my motovlogging videos. Motovlogging is my other content which it shows my daily ride. When I am accepting bookings, I ask my customers permission if I can add the clip or video for my content while talking them during the rides before and after. Hoping your kind consideration on my appeal. Thank you.